Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to find your Binance ID. Your Binance user ID is a unique number that identifies your account. It's crucial for various reasons, like contacting customer support or participating in certain promotions. I'll guide you through the simple steps to locate this important identifier, whether you're using the mobile app or the desktop website. Let's get started and quickly find your user ID. Finding your Binance user ID on the mobile app is straightforward. First, open the Binance application on your smartphone. Once it's loaded, look for the profile icon, which is typically located in the top left corner of your screen. Tap on this icon and your user ID, a series of digits, will be prominently displayed right below your username. It's that simple to find it on the go. If you prefer using the Binance website, finding your user ID is just as easy. Begin by logging into your Binance account through your web browser. Once you're logged in, move your mouse cursor over the profile icon, which is usually situated in the top right corner of the page. A drop-down menu will appear, and your unique user ID will be clearly visible within this menu. You'll find it quickly. Knowing your Binance user ID is important for several reasons. It allows Binance customer support to efficiently assist you with any account-related inquiries. Furthermore, certain events, promotions, or referral programs might require you to provide your user ID for participation. Remember to check the description below for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals. Keep your user ID secure and accessible for when you need it most.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.